Here I'm just going to go over a quick overview of how to install our LED kit in a Crane 436 food vendor. This is very easy to do, takes only a couple minutes, can be done on location. I'm going to go through a couple steps just to simplify. If you have any questions about this, it's definitely covered in the owner's manual. I've gone ahead and positioned the turret so that I could see the divot, which is used as a reference. And then, as you'll see in your owner's manual, you're going to go in here, release this clip. That allows you to very easily remove the front half of the turret. The reason I did that was just to have access to this. There's a hole right here. So basically what I did with the power supply that comes with the kit, you just want to feed up the power adapter. It's going to kind of come up through this hole, and then it connects to the LED strip. Extremely simple. And then after you've fed it through there, you want to go ahead and put this putty back in place just so none of the cold air gets to the lower section. So very easy to install. Here's the clip that you're going to be hitting with the screwdriver as a reference. Again, removing this tray is very simple, covered in the owner's manual. So now I'm going to kind of come down to the lower section and show you the parts that I've removed. When you start with your machine, this cover will be in place. Basically, this cover was put in to kind of cover these ballasts. So when you're installing this kit, you're going to end up, when you're done, you'll be removing the ballasts. These are just held in place with screws. This one plug right here essentially connected to the 120 volt power. The transformer that's supplied with the kit connects here. So as I unplug it, you'll see the lights come off. As I plug this back in, you'll see them come on. This power transformer here in the final step, we include some Velcro, so you'll want to go ahead and apply it and kind of put this transformer back in place here. All your wires need to be tucked up neat, and then this cover will go back over. Again, very easy. Part of when I put the LED kit in, this food machine has some very narrow bulbs, which are they're hard to find anymore to purchase, and putting the LED strip in is really nice. So this is one part that you'll end up removing. To kind of do this, I did kind of cut the wires when I fed them through here. So if you're doing that, you want to have your machine unplugged anytime you're putting the strip in. Again, the tools you'll pretty much need for the installation. You want to have the screwdriver to remove the front of the turret. Some wire cutters would be nice. And then the screws for this metal cover here can be reduced or removed with a 1/4 inch nut driver.